Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by getting credentials and initiating the auth flow. First, register an app and copy the API key and API secret into a secure vault. Once done, install the official SDK for your language so you won't reinvent requests. Next, open the login URL to get the request token. After successful login, exchange that request token for an access token right away because it expires fast. Make sure to store the access token with its expiry and refresh logic for subsequent API calls. You now wire up the core client and make tested calls. Initialize the client using your API key and the freshly obtained access token. Configure retries and respect rate limits to avoid throttling. Then call instruments and margins and points to build context for orders and fetch holdings to reconcile positions. When placing orders, include a unique order ID and verify the returned order status and IDs. Also, implement error handling for partial fills and network timeouts so your trading logic remains consistent and auditable. You finish by hardening and monitoring your integration. Persist sessions and implement automated token refresh while rotating secrets regularly for security. Next, add structured logs for requests and responses, but avoid logging sensitive tokens. Reconcile fills against exchange reports to catch discrepancies. For production, add health checks and alerting on rate limit or auth failures. If something breaks, first check API limits and whether the access token expired, then confirm instrument tokens match the exchange instruments. These steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.